What does charging look like in the future? Imagine walking into a room and your phone automatically begins charging. Today, we're bringing this closer to reality. Introducing Mi Air Charge technology. Using a system made up of 144 antennas, this transfers energy to the smartphone in the form of an extremely narrow millimeter wide wave beam. Within a few meters, we offer a 5-watt remote charging solution. Taking that a step further, it also supports multi-device charging, charge on the move, while gaming, or even when something's in the way. Looking ahead, smart living goes truly wireless. This isn't science fiction, this is technology. Mi Air Charge technology.